In today's video, we're going to be talking about open floor concept. Typically, that means you have 2 to 3 open rooms towards each other. Today, we'll discuss how to define those spaces while designing a cohesive flow throughout your home. Tip number 1 is really understanding the functionality of the space you're trying to find. Most of these homes have 2 to 3 spaces open towards each other. This can correlate to your dining room, kitchen, or living room, which typically are the rooms that are open towards each other. Throughout those 3 pieces, you really want to make sure what you're going to be doing in those rooms is functional to your day-to-day life. Such as in living rooms, you want to make sure you have outlets in the right areas so lamps can be plugged in, and then in dining rooms, you want to make sure that your family has enough seating. Tip number 2 is to establish focal points. This can mean something as simple as a TV. Sometimes a lot of families like to watch TV and also cook at the same time, so having that be something that cohesively flows from one area to the other is super important. A great piece to incorporate as a transitional piece between 2 spaces is a swivel chair. That swivel chair allows people to have conversations within their living room, but also have a really great conversation in their kitchen as well. Tip number 3 is making sure to not treat your spaces as separates. That includes making sure that you have a cohesive flow through color schemes and also wood choices. You don't necessarily have to match everything towards each other, but having a cohesive flow is really important. Moving on to our next tip would be floating your furniture. Typically, in open floor concepts, you're not going to have your traditional 4 walls. Here, you might have 2 or you might have 3. Another piece that you can introduce now is a sofa table. It really does give a really beautiful look to the back of any sectional or sofa. And in a way, define it just a little bit more by making sure that you have enough room between spaces so it doesn't feel crowded. Lastly, I would highly recommend working with an interior designer such as myself. Furniture shopping can be overwhelming because you have to choose from a wide variety of design styles and furniture combinations. Add in the complexities of making sure your open concept floor plan flows cohesively and you can feel lost before you even begin. Many people seek advice from an interior designer. People seek interior designers for knowledge and vision to make the process a little easier. At your local Lazy Boy Furniture Gallery, you can meet with a degreed interior designer for free. This complimentary, personalized, and free service is tailored to your lifestyle, budget, and the helpful thousands of home buyers complete their interior design projects. I hope you found this video helpful today. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And for any future videos and content, subscribe to our channel.